Proper furniture protection is a must. Heavy-duty commercial felt furniture protectors help prevent scratches and scuffs. However, scratches and scuffs can still happen in active environments. Light scratches and scuffs can be removed with routine maintenance. Scuffs can be removed by two different methods depending on the severity. Method 1. Tennis ball method. This method works well for small areas. Method 2. Spray a pH-neutral hard surface floor cleaner and utilize a low-speed buffer or auto scrubber with a 3M red pad. For deeper scratches, additional steps may be required. Start by cleaning the area with a pH-neutral hard surface floor cleaner and a damp microfiber mop. Allow floor to fully dry. Use a recommended scratch repair kit like Dr. Schutt's Scratch Fix Kit. Before applying the scratch fix, smooth the edges of the scratch by buffing as directed in the manufacturer's instructions. Work in small sections. Proper maintenance helps extend the life of your floor. Have questions? Contact Patcraft. Always refer to maintenance guidelines for your product.